Hi viewers, welcome to kaithozil-crochet and crafty jobs. Today in our channel also we are going to see the basic stitches. This is our part 2 lessons. A part 1 lesson I had already posted in my video. Please watch through it. This is my part 2 lessons. I'm going to show you half triple crochet first. See, make a loop like this and then do a slip knot. Given the clear explanation of slip knot in my first video, you can check it out. So after making a slip knot, make chains. Yarn over it, pull through this. Yarn over it, pull through that. Yarn over this, pull the needle through the loop. Like this, make 15 chains like this. See, after making 15 chains, we are going to work half triple crochet. See, 1, 2, 3. In the third chain, we are going to work it out. In the third chain, see, before that, make yarn over the needle. 2 times you have to do yarn over the needle. And then insert the needle in the chain, again yarn over it, pull through this. There will be 4 loops in the needle. Yarn over it, I'll leave only the 2 loops. Okay, now you will be having 3 loops in the needle. Again yarn over it and pull through all the 3 loops. This is our half triple crochet. 2 times yarn over the needle. See, the needle should always move in the anti-clockwise direction. Yarn over the needle. Okay, insert the needle in the chain, yarn over it, pull through this. You will be getting 4 loops in the needle. Again yarn over it, leave only the 2 loops. You will be having 3 loops in the needle. Again yarn over it and pull through all the 3 loops. See, this is our half triple crochet. Watch it once again. Okay, you have to continue the pattern like this. See, this half triple crochet will do a great work in big size of works, that is in blankets, sweaters. You can use this type of stitches. It will take your time less, yeah, and you can do it in just the work is also will be very good. Because most people won't use these type of stitches, but we should use this type of stitches also because it will be looking great only. So I'm giving you a clear explanation so that you won't get confused. See, this is my half triple crochet. I'm going to finish it off. Cut the yarn and then pull it like this. See how it's looking? Yeah. If you're doing a square pattern or a rectangle like this, that means in blanket at all, it will be a great work. See, now I'm going to show you triple crochet. So first make a slip knot. Okay, for that what we are going to do, I will explain you once again how to do a slip knot. But I have given in my part 1 video the full explanation of slip knot, chain, everything. You can watch it out. See, form a loop like this, hold it in the middle and the thumb finger, and then make a loop in the index finger. Insert the needle through this, yarn over this, pull through the like this. So you will get a slip knot, and then yarn over it, pull the needle through the loop. Yarn over it, pull the needle through the loop. This is our chain. Okay, the needle should go in the anti-clockwise direction. I'll yarn over it. While taking a yarn over the needle should always go in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is chain. I'm just making 15 chain for my reference. See, after making this, see in the fourth chain, see 1 1 2 3 4. We are going to work in the fourth chain for this triple crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 4, because the stitch will be long, so only we are working in the fourth chain. Anti-clockwise 2 times, yarn over the needle 2 times like this. See, yarn 1 time, 2 times, so yarn over the needle 2 times and insert the needle in the fourth chain. Again yarn over it, pull the needle through this. You will be getting 4 loops. Now yarn over it, leave 2 loops alone. You will be having 3 loops in the needle. Again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops alone. So now you will be having 2 loops. Again yarn over it, leave those 2 loops also. See, 2 times yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the chain, yarn over it, pull through this, you will be having 4 loops, again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops, you will be having 3 loops, yarn over it, leave the 2 loops, you will be having 2 loops, again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops also. Okay. So when you yarn over it, leave the 2 loops alone, again yarn leave the 2 loops, again yarn over it, leave those 2 loops also. Okay, this is my triple crochet. Okay, this pattern will also look great in sweaters while making sweaters. Yeah, that is will be a big pattern, right? So that time you can use this type of stitches, or you are making a very big masterpiece. In that cases, you can use this type of stitches. These stitches are very durable actually. It won't easily worn out. It will also look a very nice and soft and elegant look, the stitches. So see, I'm given my triple crochet. See how it's looking. You can club 2 or 3 stitches and you can use in patterns also. I had given some of my patterns in the video in my channel, and in future also I will give more patterns like this. You can watch it out to get more ideas. See, this is my triple crochet. Now another important stitch in is the slip stitch. Everybody will use it at the end only, but it also will make a pattern individually. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First slip knot and make chain like this. 15 chains I had done it. Then leave one, and then the second chain we are going to work it out. Leave the first chain and the second chain. See, what I'm doing is insert the needle directly in the chain. Okay, yarn over it and see like this. So after inserting you will be getting 2 loops like this. Yarn over it and then you have to pull through both the loops like this. Yeah, insert the needle in the chain and then yarn over it and pull through all the loops like this. Yeah, see, I'll show you once time. Insert the needle in the chain, see, yarn over it, pull through all the 2 loops, pull through both the loops, yarn over it, pull through both the loops. That is our slip stitch. Yeah, it will also, yeah, individually you can form a pattern in this also, or you can club the stitches, basic stitches. You can club it out in one row single crochet, in one row slip stitch, like that. You can also club it and use it. You can use it. Yeah, these patterns are may play a major role in crochet. In my future videos I will give you the pattern videos also, so how to do the stitches I will explain you, so you can it will be easy for you to understand. Yeah, and this is the main important slip stitch. It is always used in the end part. While we are making rounds, the slip stitch is always used to close the rows. Every row we have to close it, right? So that time the slip stitch only plays a major part, and using the slip stitch you can make borders for perfect borders. You can make the slip stitch, and it is used in many places. See, this is my slip stitch. See how it's looking. Okay viewers, in our part 2 of basic stitches lessons, we have learned half triple crochet and slip stitch. In my part 1 video, I have given the slip knot, chain, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet also. Watch it out. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on my channel. Thank you.